You have bought two speakers. In order to pair them together for stereo sound, you need to pair the speakers before you pair them to any device. If you pair them to a device before they connect to each other, you will not be able to connect them later on, and you will not be able to get stereo sound. The way to pair both speakers is you turn one speaker on. It doesn't matter which one, and you're going to double click. That sound means that it's ready for pairing. Then you turn on the second speaker, and now they're paired. One speaker will keep on blinking. That means that this is the master speaker. The master speaker, if you turn it off after they're paired, it will turn off the other one. To turn them on, you do need to turn them on individually. Now they're both paired. After they are paired, then you can connect them to any device. You're going to turn on your Bluetooth and you're going to look for AK3. Once you click on AK3, it's going to give you the tone that it has been connected. And now both the speakers are paired, and both the speakers are paired to the same device. Now remember, you do have to turn on both the speakers and let them connect to each other before you connect to the device. Otherwise, you will not get a stereo sound because it will only connect to